Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you are wanting to get custom alarm sound on your Android device and are wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the clock app, the app that looks like a clock. Tap on it and open it up. Now once you tap on it, you may just head over and set up an alarm. So let's say I would like to set alarm for 4 a.m. So you can just go ahead and turn it on. Or you can also tap on this plus icon right here. And you can just go ahead and set up an alarm for yourself and tap on save. So once you have set up your alarm, if you want to get custom alarm sound, what you can do is you can select the option called alarm sound and make sure the option is enabled right beside it. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you will be given this right here. And once you pick up your alarm, by default it should select up a sound, but what you can do is if you want to customize it, you can select the option of Spotify and tap on it. And once you tap on Spotify, it should give you a bunch of other options to set up an alarm. Choose if you want a ringtone or Spotify sound. You can just go ahead and select one of those options. You can wait for this to load up. And once your Spotify is connected, you can just go ahead and select a custom sound that you would like prefer. Or you can head back and select ringtone. And once you select ringtone, there you will be finding different options available. You can just go ahead and select the one that you prefer, or look out for the plus icon at the top right. And once you tap on it, you can even select the music from your own device. And once you select the sound, you can just go ahead and save it up. And that way you will be able to get custom sound alarm on your Android device. So that's it guys, you may follow up this method. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.